In this video, I am going to show you how you can insert mathematics formulas using ink in Word. Click onto where it says Insert. This ribbon will appear. Then come across here to where it says Equation. Click on this area and you will get this drop down. And at the bottom here, you can see it says Ink Equation. Just click onto that and this will appear. I'll zoom in to make it easier to see what I'm actually writing in. And you can see here that I'm writing in the formula. And up here you can see as I'm writing it in, it's turning it into appropriate font that will then be inserted into Word. And so far you can see I've wrote minus b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac. And of course all of this is going to be divided by 2a. And this appears here, as you can see. You now click on Insert, and you can see that the formula appears in an appropriate font here within Word. Now I'll just zoom out so we can see it in the context of the entire document. Now you can select the entire formula. You can come up here and you can make it larger. And I'll just click on this A a few times. And you can see I'm making the formula as big as I need for the document that I'll be working on. When I was using the ink editor, I think I should point out that I was using a graphics tablet to do my handwriting. It is possible to do it with a mouse. If you do it accurately enough, it will still function, but it is clearly much easier if you use an appropriate tablet with a pen that allows you to write it out.